Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired. This sleek and compatible Apple keyboard offers a range of features that can enhance your Mac computing experience. The Macally Backlit Mac keyboard features crisp white backlit keys with 3 brightness levels. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or just appreciate the aesthetic of illuminated keys, this keyboard has you covered. It comes equipped with a 107-key Apple layout, ensuring a seamless and familiar typing experience for MacBook and iMac users. Additionally, you get 16 macOS shortcut keys for quick and efficient navigation. Setting up this keyboard is a breeze. Just plug the 5-feet USB cable into your computer, and you're ready to start typing instantly. It's a perfect solution if you need to replace your iMac or MacBook keyboard. The Macally Backlit Mac keyboard is designed to complement your silver Apple accessories, creating a clean and minimalistic setup. Not only does it look great, but it also improves your workflow. The Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired is an excellent addition to any Mac user's setup, offering backlit keys, Mac-specific layout, and easy plug-and-play functionality. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines functionality with aesthetics, this could be the perfect choice for you. That wraps up our review of the Macally Backlit Mac keyboard wired. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.